Hi guys, this is Filipina Raquel de los Santos from Philippines. So here we are. I check out why the subscribers count changing or dropping. Okay, so here's the answer, guys. This is from a YouTube help. So describe your issue. I describe my issue, why I'm dropping and losing subscribers. So we have to read it together, guys. This is the answer. Subscribers count changing or dropping. Generally, it's normal to see fluctuation in your subscribers count. If it seems that your subscribers count has changed or dropped, it could be for one or these reasons. Viewers are subscribing and unsubscribing to your channel normally. We've removed spam subscribers from your channel. If impacted, you'll see an alert in the YouTube studio. There you go. You can click that learn more. We've removed closed accounts from your channel. The affected accounts were either closed by the users or terminated by the YouTube due to policy violations. So there you go. This is the violation. So some of the channels have violation, guys. If subscribers changes seems like they're outside the normal fluctuation rate, it could be due to known issue. If you believe that you're experiencing a problem outside the normal rate of subscriber count fluctuations, you can report an issue. So guys, we don't have to be worried too much about why we're losing counts of or changing or dropping our subscribers, because here's the answer, guys. Okay, so the reason: first, viewers are subscribing and unsubscribing to your channel normally. We've removed spam subscribers from your channel. If impacted, you'll see an alert in YouTube Studio. Learn more. We've removed closed accounts from your channel. The affected accounts were either closed by the user or terminated by the YouTube due to a policy violation. So don't forget about that, guys, okay? So probably most of the accounts that already being subscribed you and then they've been removed by the YouTube because of a policy violation. If subscriber change seems like they're outside the normal fluctuation rate, it could be due to known issue. If you believe that you're experiencing a problem outside the normal rate of subscriber count fluctuation, you can report an issue. So maybe we have to click this, okay? See what is this. Okay, there you go. So sign in to YouTube, select your profile picture, describe the issue that you're experiencing. The more information you include in your report, the more helpful it is for us. Choose whether you want to include screenshots. You can highlight any information on the screen or remove personal information that's showing. Okay, then click send. So that's what you're gonna do, guys, okay? So this is the thing that you need to know about make you better how to see.
In this video, we'll show you how to send ideas or suggestions for improving YouTube. To get started, sign into YouTube on a computer. Select your profile picture, then click Send Feedback. In this window, you can describe a suggestion you have or an issue you're experiencing with YouTube. You can also choose to include a screenshot to give us more detail. The more information you include, the more helpful it is for us. Once you're done, click Send. If you'd like to know how to send feedback on an Android or iOS device, check out the links in the description below. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.
So there you go. So you need to subscribe to our team YouTube channel. Okay, so you guys subscribe the team YouTube channel. Okay, so this is only the steps how to make a report or send a feedback of what is going on of your channel. Okay, so this is you can see it. Report a YouTube studio a issue. So okay, I have to go back. So this is the problem that we are facing for subscribers count changing or dropping the subscribers. So at least you know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like and make a friendly comment to this video, and plus click the join notification, the notification bell, and if you want to be my sponsor, click the join button. Okay guys, so don't be surprised if your subscriber is losing, okay? That means you have so much going on, spam subscribers or subscribers that have a policy violation or they unsubscribe your channel. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is Filipina Raquel de Los Santos saying bye bye and God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.